That's what it uses for cell membrane function and repair. But the coconut oil is totally different. Underneath the tongue, there are sublingual glands called lingual lipase. And lingual lipase is an enzyme that breaks down short and medium chain fatty acids. So the coconut is unique in that the breakdown happens in the mouth. So when it comes down into the stomach, it's already having its breakdown. When it comes into the duodenum, it doesn't need bile, doesn't need pancreatic lipase, and gets absorbed not into the lacteal, not into the lymphatic system, but it gets absorbed straight into the blood. The blood immediately takes it to the liver, and the liver burns it as fuel. What an amazing oil. So to say that saturated fat causes heart disease is an unscientific statement. It doesn't make any sense, because it's the saturated fats that the body uses for fuel. The other day we looked at how glucose burns at 4 calories per gram, whereas fat, it burns at 9 calories per gram. Can you see why the brain loves fat? Because a calorie is a unit of energy, and when we give fat to the brain, it's getting more than twice the units of energy when you eat fat.